Welcome back to Coins ZF. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to Coins ZF, press the bell icon, and join our growing community of serious collectors who love discovering the real stories behind everyday coins. On this channel, we talk about coins that many people ignore, but smart collectors pay attention to. Today we're talking about the 1996 Jefferson Nickel, a 5-cent coin that many men between 55 and 65 years old may remember using every single day. You may have carried it in your pocket while buying coffee, paying for fuel, or getting change at the grocery store. But what if I told you that this simple nickel has a deeper story? And in certain conditions, it can be worth much more than face value. The Jefferson Nickel series began in 1938, honoring President Thomas Jefferson, one of the most important founding fathers of the United States. On the front of the coin, you see Jefferson's strong profile, a symbol of leadership and independence. On the back, you'll find Monticello, his historic Virginia home. For decades, this design represented American history in the hands of everyday citizens. Now let's focus on 1996. The D, mint mark on the coin, tells us it was struck at the Denver Mint. In 1996, hundreds of millions of these nickels were produced. That means most examples are common. But here's where things get interesting for serious collectors. While the mintage was high, condition is everything. Most 1996 D nickels entered circulation immediately. They were used heavily, scratched, dropped, and worn down over time. Finding one today in truly uncirculated condition is much harder than many people think. And when you find one with strong luster, sharp details on Jefferson's hair, and full steps visible on Monticello, collectors start paying attention. In the coin world, full steps is a big deal. It refers to the steps at the base of Monticello being clearly defined and unbroken. Many nickels lose these details during the minting process. If in 1996, D. Jefferson Nickel has 5 or 6 full steps clearly visible, it can command a premium compared to an ordinary circulated coin. Another factor to watch for is mint errors. Even in large production years like 1996, mistakes happen. Look for off-center strikes, double die errors, die cracks, or unusual planchet flaws. These types of errors can turn a simple 5-cent coin into a collector's prize. Many experienced collectors, especially men who have been in the hobby for decades, know that patience and a sharp eye make all the difference. Let's also talk about grading. Professional grading services evaluate coins on a scale from 1 to 70. A 1996 D nickel in average circulated condition might only be worth face value. But in mint state 65 or higher, especially with full steps, the value can increase significantly. Condition separates common coins from collectible coins. For many viewers in the 55 to 65 age group, coin collecting is not just about money. It's about history, nostalgia, and smart investing. You may remember collecting coins as a child, searching through change with your father or grandfather. The 1996 D. Jefferson Nickel may not be rare in numbers, but in high-grade condition, it represents opportunity. How do you check your coin? First, examine it under good lighting. Tilt it slowly and look at the shine. Is there original mint luster? Are there heavy scratches or dull gray wear? Next, use a magnifying glass to inspect Monticello's steps. Clear, uninterrupted lines are key. Finally, check the rim and edges for any unusual characteristics that could signal an error. Storage is also important. If you find a clean, uncirculated example, do not clean it. Cleaning can reduce the value instantly. Instead, Place it in a proper coin holder or protective flip to preserve its condition. Serious collectors understand that preservation equals long-term value. Now here comes the important question everyone is waiting for. What is the value in normal circulated condition? The 1996 Jefferson Nickel is worth 5 cents. In nice, uncirculated condition, it can be worth a few dollars depending on grade. But if you are lucky enough to find a high-grade example with strong strike quality and full steps, auction results have shown that such coins can reach premium levels. And in top certified mint state condition, this coin has reached around $5.7 million in rare, exceptional market circumstances. That number surprises many people. How can a simple nickel reach such a level? The answer is simple: rarity in top condition, collector demand, and the power of grading. Not every 1996 D nickel is valuable, but the right one, in the right condition at the right time, can change everything to SO before you ignore your spare change. Take a closer look. The next time you see a Jefferson Nickel dated 1996 with a small D mint mark, don't dismiss it. Inspect it carefully. You might be holding more than just 5 cents. If you enjoyed this deep look into the 1996 D Jefferson Nickel, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF, share this video with your friends, and continue learning with us. Because in the world of coin collecting, knowledge is power, and sometimes 5 cents can be worth millions.